The 2018 GMC Terrain's infotainment system commonly experiences several frustrating problems, especially as the vehicle ages beyond 7 years. The most common issues include a completely black screen, audio system malfunctions with no sound output, and touchscreen unresponsiveness where the display works but touch input fails. These problems typically stem from four main causes: software corruption, which accounts for about 60% of cases, hardware failures, wiring connection issues, and power supply irregularities. The 2018 GMC Terrain uses GM's IntelliLink infotainment system, featuring a 7 or 8-inch color touchscreen that integrates with the vehicle's network. This system is susceptible to the failures we just discussed. Fortunately, many of these issues can be resolved with basic troubleshooting steps that you can perform yourself. Let's go through the most effective methods, starting with the simplest solutions. Step 1. Try a basic soft reset by turning off your vehicle completely, waiting at least 2 minutes, then restarting it. This simple step clears temporary software glitches and often resolves minor issues. Step 2. If the vehicle restart doesn't work, try rebooting just the infotainment system. Hold the power button on the infotainment unit for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts automatically. Step 3. For more persistent issues, try disconnecting the battery. Remove the negative terminal for 15 minutes to clear all electronic modules. This more comprehensive reset often resolves stubborn software corruption issues. These basic troubleshooting steps successfully resolve approximately 70 to 75% of infotainment issues in 2018 GMC Terrains. Most problems are software related and can be fixed without professional help or expensive repairs. When basic resets fail to resolve your 2018 GMC Terrain infotainment issues, advanced troubleshooting procedures are required. The first method is a factory reset using a specific button combination. Press and hold both the home and fast forward buttons simultaneously for 10 or more seconds until the reset menu appears on your screen. This will restore the system to factory defaults. If the factory reset doesn't work, try a hard system reset. Turn your ignition to the accessory position, then press and hold the radio power and seek up buttons together for 10 seconds. Next, check the fuses related to your infotainment system. The key fuses to inspect are F42 for the infotainment unit, F27 for the radio, and F31 for the amplifier. A blown fuse can cause complete system failure. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, you're likely dealing with hardware failure. This is common in vehicles over 7 years old, affecting about 20% of 2018 Terrain owners. When hardware replacement is needed, you have options. Dealer diagnosis costs $150 to $200, while OEM replacement ranges from $800 to $1,500. However, aftermarket solutions offer a cost-effective alternative. Aftermarket infotainment systems provide enhanced functionality, including wireless connectivity, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and future-proof designs. They're increasingly popular as OEM parts become harder to find and more expensive for aging vehicles.